Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, this is the last and final segment in the IGCSE ICT June 2016 paper 2 exam. In the last videos we've talked about mailmage, and the final video we are doing presentation, and then we close this one. So after this video, I'll think if I have time, I'll start working on the practical paper 3 papers. Some of you guys are going to write that paper on the 18th of this month. I don't know when the 18th is, which is next week Tuesday. So within this week I should put up paper 3 by Saturday. Somewhere there I should have put up at least one paper 3, because I do have also another paper that I'm working on for the A-level computer science, their pre-release material. I want to do maybe 1 or 2 video clips on that as well. And also there is something else that I'm doing that I cannot share with you, but it is taking up much of my time, so I just have to make sure that I split my time very well. Okay, so this is the final video in this one, and then you guys be on the lookout for the paper 3 videos, which will be coming up later in this week. Okay, so what you have, as usual, we have our source files, and all these files, like I said, I'll put these files just below this video as well, so you guys, you can download these files off my Dropbox, and then you can work with them. Okay, so I'm gonna go back there and go to my question paper, and then you are required to create a short promotional presentation. So import the file j226 promotion.rtf, placing the text as 6 slides in your presentation software. I'm using PowerPoint, so I don't know what presentation software you know and which you are using. So I'll just start a blank presentation and go ahead and go to File and Open. So browse, and then I'll go to my desktop in search of my files. Okay, source file, and then now the moment you get to this stage, you guys, you notice that you don't see any item here. Remember, this folder is not blank, it's the one that contains our source files, so it cannot be blank. So you need to change here to all files and look for the RTF files promotion, and then say okay. So I've opened this file, and you should make sure that you have 6 slides. Of course you will have 6 slides. Yeah, so yeah, we've done with that, and next step, the presentation should be based on a master slide that you would design. Your slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. So remember, this is part of the beauty about using master slides, because they give you a consistent layout and formatting with the following features on our slide: the company logo, which is saved as j226 logo.jpg, and your name, center number, and candidate number, and automatic slide number. So step 37 asks us to create actually a master slide. So let me go ahead and create the master slide for this one. Now remember guys, this is very easy to create a master slide. You just change the view and change the view to slide master, and then go to the first page, and on the first page you need to make sure that you insert, just go back here, you need to make sure that you insert the logo. Okay, so let's go to there and go to insert picture, and then let's look for the picture in paper 2 source file, and this is the logo. Looks beautiful, so just gonna put it just somewhere there. Looks good, not bad, but I'm just going to resize it a little bit so that it fits just there. Okay, that's good. Not how the logo appears on every page, guys. This is how powerful the master slide is, because if you want to modify and work on the individual slides and try to put this is going to change the overall layout. But when you put it on the master slide, the layout will be consistent on every single slide. It will be exactly the same position, and it's going to be very beautiful. Okay, so let's go to our, then we put center number and candidate number in on that, and then automatic slide number. So let's go back here, go to insert, and then this time I'm going to insert header footer, and then slide number will be there, and under the footer I'm going to put Igcse Evans comma ZM556 comma 0001. Okay, and say apply to all, not just to one, apply to all. Okay, so go back here. It says the features should apply on all slides. That's why we have to apply to all. Okay, so set the animation on the bullets so that they appear one by one. So we're done with the master slide, and we can go back to our file. So let's go view, and then this time around, instead of viewing the master slide, we're going to view the normal slides. Okay, so go to normal view, and you'll see that on the normal view, you do have my candidate number and candidate center number, as well as the name and the slide number here and the logo. On every single slide you have this, and this is how powerful, guys, the master slide feature is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to go back here and understand what I'm being asked. Set this animation on the bullets so that they appear one by one. So what I'm going to do is to make sure that each one appears one by one. So get starting with this one, animation, and then fly in. This one, animation, then fly in. Okay, done. This one, the same thing. So if you are using Office 2016 or Office 2013 going up there, you realize that doing this is actually very easy. Now I want to find out if the construction actually the title is supposed to appear. So set animation on the bullet so that animation on the bullets so that they appear one by one. So don't make sure that you don't include this one as part of the animation, only the bullets. Okay, so this one, fly in as well, ding ding, and then the last one, fly in as well. Come on, boom boom. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go back here and okay, so done with this one. We just need to set evidence of how we've done the animations. Okay, so the question is, how are we going to set evidence? So we're going to set evidence already. Notice how the slide is selected. Notice how the numbers are there showing you the different levels of this. So this one is coming at different level, and notice how on the right side here under each slide number I have some star of some kind that shows you that the animation is there. So I'll get this, I'll just do this. Boom. This is my evidence that actually I've set my animation on each slide. Okay, so I don't have to be fancy, like put the whole big thing here. No, don't do that. Just something is important, just like that. This is important. Okay, so the animations are set and the examiner will be able to see. But if you want, you can go ahead and just do that. It's still fine. You won't be penalized for that, because examiners are just be interested in this part. Okay, they'll be interested in this part and in this part. That is evidence enough that you have put your animations. Okay, so I'll go to my evidence document, and I'll come back here, bullet animation, and I'll do that. And this is evidence enough that I've done just that. So come back here, spell check the presentation for errors, save the presentation, print the presentation with 6 slides to the page. This is very important, guys. Don't just rush and start printing this slide. You need to make sure that you print to 6 slides. So go to file and then print, and then you need to make sure that full page slide is not the one that is selected. Please don't be in a hurry or to be too quick here. Most of you start printing this, and this comes on a single paper, and you have 6 pages. Don't do that. We've been told to print how many pages per slide? We've been told to print is presented with 6 slides to the page. 6 slides to the page. So 1 page, 6 slides. So full page, then get 6 slides. Okay, like that. This is what you're supposed to give. Okay, and go ahead and print this. Okay, so I'm not going to print this. My printer is offline at the moment, so just print that, and that's it. Okay, so print out 6, make sure your center number and candidate name and are all visible on your slide, and that should be fine. Okay, so printing the evidence document, you need to print your evidence document, and make sure that your details are there. Save your document, and that's it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, and I wish you all the best on Tuesday. If you do have questions, please just type them out and comment them out. Whenever I have time before the actual date of the exam on Tuesday, I can comment out my responses to that. But all the same, I wish you all the best, and I wish you God's blessing. And remember, you are a child of God, and you don't need to fear going into the exam room. you need to prepare and go there with boldness. Remember, I always say boldness gives you about 15% of the total exam. Okay, so just being bold in the exam will get some marks like that. Some questions people feel it's not because they didn't know, they were just too nervous. Okay, so there's nothing to be scared. You guys have been preparing for this for the last 2 years, and you need to just go there and just exhibit that which you've been doing. Okay, so thank you so much, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment my channel, share, invite friends, tell your teachers about it, and your headmaster too. Tell your principal. Good. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video for paper 3.